Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to start your Ford EcoSport with a push button. First, ensure your smart key is inside the vehicle. Next, firmly press the brake pedal with your foot. Then, locate the engine start/stop button, typically found on the dashboard. Finally, press this button once to start the engine. It's a straightforward process that gets you on the road quickly and efficiently, usually taking only a few seconds. Your EcoSport's push button start relies on the smart key fob being detected inside the cabin. If the vehicle doesn't start, a common reason is a low or dead key fob battery. If this happens, you will need to replace the small coin cell battery inside the fob. However, there is also a convenient backup method to start your vehicle even with a completely dead key fob battery, which we will cover next. Should your key fob battery be too low to be detected, your Ford EcoSport has a clever backup starting method. First, locate the designated key fob slot, which is often found in the center console or a small compartment near the gear shifter. Place your key fob directly into this slot. With the fob in place, firmly press the brake pedal and then press the engine start/stop button. This should allow your vehicle to start. If your EcoSport still doesn't start, consider a few troubleshooting tips. Always ensure the transmission is securely in park or neutral. Also, check that the steering wheel isn't locked, as this can sometimes prevent starting. Listen for any unusual sounds when you press the button, which might indicate another issue. For comprehensive guidance and specific details about your model, always refer to your vehicle's owner's manual.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.